Guys, for today's video, I had reviewed Skyro na for 1 or 2 videos na yata. And then, ngayon ko lang nakita itong isang feature nila, just this year lang din in-announce, wherein para siyang katulad ni Belize. So natuwa ako dito sa feature na to. Kasi like, si Belize kaya niyang magganitong feature. And then si Skyro, nag-implement din ng ganitong feature. Pero si Home Credit, kaya ba nila? Well, ano ba to? Well, ito yung feature ni Belize na tinatawag na Belize Pay with Grace. Ito naman kay Skyro, tawag nila dito ay Skyro Zero Plan. So anong makikita natin dito sa feature ni Skyro na Zero Plan? Zero interest nga ba talaga? Tara, pag-usapan natin yan. Sit back and let's discuss. Coming right up. Hi guys, this is Pat and you're in Pat Quintos Review TV. So if you're new to my channel, I do reviews about personal finance na meron akong experience or meron na akong knowledge na ginawa ko na yan ng videos and playlist, makikita nyo dito sa taas. At kung bago ka dito sa channel ko, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel. Well, siguro in short, masasabi ko na yes. It is really like the Belize grace period wherein instead na magbayad ka ng interest, if you pay in full during the required months na ma-settle mo siya or the grace period na tinatawag ni Belize, well, ang babayaran mo lang dyan ay yung full amount ng hinira mo plus other services na in-avail mo like the device protection, extended warranty, goods protection, etc. 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 So basically, yun ang mga kailangan mong isettle within the specific months ng grace period mo, then walang ma-charge sa iyong interest. So tara, let's head over kung ano ang sinasabi ng Skyro Zero Plan from the Skyro website. Sabi niya, Skyro Zero Plan, and it was published August 2 of this year. Sabi niya, now what if you can skip the interest entirely? That's what the Zero Plan is for. If you pay off your full loan early, you can keep your Skyro loan interest-free. Simple, no tricks, just pay the full during the zero period and enjoy the benefits. So, dito naman kay Skyro, ang tawag niya dun sa grace period is the zero period. And then kay Belize naman, ang tawag niya yung grace period. So, yun yung terminology. Pero magkaparehas lang naman sila talaga. So, ano yung zero period? Yung zero period daw ay ito yung first 3 months or 6 months ng loan nyo na pwede nyong isettle yung loan nyo in full nang walang additional interest. So, paano nyo naman malalaman kung activated sa inyo ang zero plan? Well, actually, once you process your loan, makikita nyo yan sa loan agreement nyo. Doon nyo makikita kung naka-indicate doon ang zero plan. And if so, there's no need to activate it since kasama na yan sa loan agreement nyo. And again, since nandiyan na yan sa agreement mo, you only need to pay the principal and all other value-added services. Example nila is like the origination fee, the value-added services like device protection, extended warranty, goods protection, electronic doctor and personal accident insurance, though excluding loan protection and flexi. Guys, baka pwede naman kayo mag-subscribe and follow dito sa aking mga social media channel. Dito po sa YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and even Instagram. So please follow and support. So next is, paano ba malalaman kung 3 months or 6 months ang zero period mo? Well, kapag ang loan amount mo daw ay nagkakahalaga ng below 10,000 pesos, ang zero period mo ay hanggang 3 months lang. Also, if yung loan amount mo ay below 10,000 pesos and less than 12 months to pay, then ang magiging zero period mo ay also 3 months. But if loan amount mo is 10,000 and above and ang loan term mo ay 12 months and above, then you are qualified for 6-month zero period. Basically, 6 months yon, kalahating taon kang nagbabayad ng walang interest. So, ibig sabihin lang nito,
move away mga ola.
Kung meron kang access sa Skyro, why not, diba? Pwede ka manghiram dito at 0% interest. And katulad din siya ni Belize grace period na merong nakalagay ng monthly payment na minimum na babayaran mo. Pwede mo siyang sundin on a monthly basis. Kunyari, wala ka pang pambayad in full. So, kunyari, 6 month ang zero period mo. Let's say darating ang pera mo on the 5th month. Let's say 13th month mo na yung darating. July, August, September, October, November, December. So, ang gagawin mo na nga lang doon is i-add mo lahat ng binayad mo. Tapos, isubtract mo yan dun sa total principal or total loan amount mo. Tapos, kung anong remaining, yun yung kailangan mong bayaran pang full payment para ma-experience mo ang 0% interest. Basta, ang mahalaga dito, bago dumating yung cut-off mo ng zero period, kunyari 3 months lang ang zero period mo, bago mag 3 months, nakapag full payment ka na, or if in case na 6 months naman lang zero period mo, nakapag full payment ka na bago mag 6 month, then wala kang additional na interest na babayaran. So kung iniisip nyo,
Ay, kailangan pa mag-compute kung magkano babayaran?
well, ito yung isa sa kinagandahan kay Skyro. Sabi dito sa FAQ nila, will I get reminders? Yes, Skyro will send you helpful reminders during your zero period, including the exact amount you still need to pay to fully settle your loan and stay interest-free. This help you stay on track and make the most of your zero plan. Ibig sabihin nito na mas pinupush ka talaga nila na i-avail ang zero plan because they will provide you reminders every month na kailangan mong bayaran para ma-avail mo ang 0% interest. Diba? So nakakatuwa talaga yung evolution ng mga legit na mga buy now pay later apps natin or yung mga revolving credit line natin, diba? From a simple na credit line na ibibigay sa'yo, then nag-evolve to 0% interest. Then, eventually, sa mga product loan nila or cash loan nila na pwede ka na rin mag-avail ng 0% interest within the grace period or within the zero period mo, nagiging more flexible itong mga lending institution natin. Okay, for our question of the day, kailangan niyo pa bang mag-online lending app? Sino-sino sa inyo ang nakaahon na sa mga OLA at lumipat na sa mga ganitong lending service? Let me know sa comment section sa baba for your chance to win 1,000 pesos sa ating weekly GCash giveaway. Guys, before we end this video, malapit na po tayo mag 200,000 subscribers. And that is the next milestone na I'm aiming to reach. And based po dito sa analytics ko, mas marami pa rin po talaga ang nanonood sa akin na hindi nakasubscribe. Sana po tulungan niyo po ako ma-reach ang aking 200,000 milestone na subscribers. And once we reach the 200 milestone subscribers, magkakaroon na naman po tayo ng pa-cellphone giveaway or cash giveaway. Ano po bang mechanics nito? Well, kailangan nyo lang po sumagot ng question of the day natin. And then basically from this video na to, moving forward until we reach the 200,000 subscribers, mamimili po ako dito ng lucky winners ng either cellphone giveaway natin or 10,000 pesos in cash. So ano pa po ba ang hinihintay nyo? Edi sumagot na po kayo ng question of the day natin dito po sa comment section sa baba. Yun lamang po for today's video, but before we end, mag-shoutout po muna tayo at shoutout kay Kenneth Dean Quinto. Sabi po niya, nice review po, Kuya Pat. Kay Kenneth Dean Quinto, shoutout sa iyo. Thank you so much po for watching and appreciating the content na ginagawa ko. Maraming salamat po. I hope you like this video, leave a thumbs up, and if not, wala namang problema dyan, but continue to support me by subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and also the bell button so that you can subscribe para makareceive kayo ng latest notification sa lahat ng upload ko. Again guys, this is Pat Quinto and you're in Pat Quinto's Review TV. Bye-bye!